Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming the Google account WhatsApp will use for backups and granting the app storage permission now. Open Settings, Accounts, and verify the exact Gmail address. This is the destination in Google Drive. Next, go to Apps right arrow WhatsApp right arrow permissions and enable storage and contacts so media and messages can be archived. Check Google Drive's available space. If it's low, free at least a few hundred megabytes or upgrade storage. Once done, return to WhatsApp to begin the backup setup flow. Now configure the backup itself inside WhatsApp. Navigate to Settings right arrow Chats right arrow Chat Backup, then pick the verified Google account from the list. Choose whether to include videos. Videos increase size dramatically, so disable if space is limited. Set auto backup frequency to a schedule you want, daily is typical, and choose Wi-Fi only if you want to avoid data charges. Tap Backup to run a manual backup and watch the progress. This creates the initial full archive that subsequent backups will update incrementally. Complete by confirming the backup finished and testing a restore on the same or a spare device. If the process fails, first force stop WhatsApp clear cache, Settings right arrow Apps right arrow WhatsApp right arrow storage, and retry. Make sure Google Play services and Drive apps are up to date and that the account has Drive permissions enabled for WhatsApp. If problems persist, reinstall WhatsApp after saving a local backup or export critical chats manually. This preserves messages while you troubleshoot cloud issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.